Think you know everything about your car's interior? Think again. These 13 insider secrets are what separate rookie drivers from the true pros. Stick around because secret number 7 is something 90% of drivers completely overlook, and it could save you hundreds. 1. The hidden arrow on your fuel gauge. Ever pulled up to the pump and realized your fuel cap is on the other side? Most cars have a tiny arrow next to the fuel icon that shows you which side it's on. It's a small detail, but pros never miss it. 2. Recirculation mode equals instant AC boost. Turning on recirculation mode keeps hot outside air from entering your car. It helps your AC cool faster and more efficiently, especially in summer heat. Most people don't even touch that button. 3. Cabin air filter, the overlooked freshness hack. If your car smells weird even after cleaning, it's likely the cabin air filter. It traps dust, pollen, and odors, but most drivers forget it even exists. Swap it every 12,000 miles for a clean, fresh interior. So here's something pretty cool. Many BMWs and Mercs actually have this rest button. It keeps warm air blowing even after the engine is off, just using the leftover heat from the engine. It's honestly perfect for those freezing mornings when you're waiting outside, and veteran drivers totally swear by it. Alright, next up, did you know some cars actually hide the rear seat release latches inside the trunk? It's mainly for extra security, but it's also super handy if you're loading big items. Plus, it comes in clutch if you ever need to get into the back seat without opening the rear doors. Okay, this one's kind of a game changer. If you hold down certain dashboard buttons, you can actually access a secret menu with diagnostic info, battery health, and a bunch of other stuff. Just try searching your car model plus hidden menu, and you'll unlock some seriously helpful tools. Okay, so that little flap that slides out of your sun visor, it's not just a gimmick, it actually blocks blinding sun from the sides too. Veteran drivers always use this to reduce glare during sunrise or sunset drives. In some cars there's a small tray or compartment beneath the front passenger seat. It's honestly great for storing documents, emergency cash, or tools. It's there, but, most owners never actually notice. Modern infotainment systems aren't just for navigation and music. If you say something like, "I'm cold" or "I need coffee" in some vehicles, it'll adjust the temperature or even find a nearby cafe. So, go ahead and explore your car's voice assistant. You might be surprised. So, if your rearview mirror has a little sensor or button, it's probably auto-dimming, Make sure it's activated during night drives, so you don't get blinded by high beams behind you. It's a simple tip, but honestly, it makes a huge difference. Number 11, steering wheel memory buttons. So, in luxury or even some mid-tier cars, there are often memory settings, not just for the seats, but also for the steering wheel position. You just adjust it once, save the setting, and then, honestly, you never have to mess with it again. Number 12, the rear AC vents hack. If your car has rear seat air vents and they're not working, check if the front controls are actually enabling them. Some systems have these separate toggles. Pro drivers always make sure everyone stays comfortable, even in the back. Number 13, the hold feature for traffic stops. Newer automatics often have a brake hold button. You just press it once at a red light, and you don't have to keep your foot on the pedal. It's safer, way more comfortable, and honestly, just a smarter way to drive. Now you know 13 car interior tricks only seasoned drivers use. If even one of these surprised you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to level up their driving game. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more pro-level car tips coming your way every week. Drive smart.